Hi everyone, welcome back to day 6 of our goal setting series. I am so excited you are here because today we are taking another important step in our planning journey, which is the monthly planning. In day 5, we broke our big picture goals into a quarterly milestones, and now we are zooming in even further and setting our monthly goals that help us to make steady progress. I'll walk you through a structured approach to monthly planning, how to allocate your time effectively, and how to ensure that you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. Also, if you need a tool to make this process even easier, I have a monthly planning insert that includes space for goal setting, scheduling, and reflection. You can check it out at the link below. So why monthly planning is important? Well, monthly planning helps you turn your big dreams into daily actions. It's like creating a simple map that shows you exactly what to do each month to reach your goals. When you break your quarterly goals into a monthly chunk, you can see your progress clearly and stay motivated. This makes it easier to focus on important tasks and avoid getting overwhelmed by your day-to-day work. With a good monthly plan, you will always know what steps to take next to achieve your goals. So monthly planning matters for 3 key reasons. First, it provides clarity by keeping you laser focused on your priorities instead of drifting aimlessly through each month. And second, it gives you intentionality of putting you in control of your schedule rather than letting circumstances dictate your time. And finally, it helps you to create balance by ensuring you make space for work, personal life, and self-care, rather than letting one area to dominate at the expense of others. So think of monthly planning as your GPS for success. Without it, you are just wandering and hoping to end up where you want. With it, you know exactly what steps to take next. So now let's take a look at the process for creating monthly goals and schedules. First, you need to create a structured monthly plan that keeps you focused and prevents overwhelm. The process starts with reviewing your quarterly goals. Take time to look at the milestones you set in day 5 and identify what specifically needs to be done this month to stay aligned with those milestones. For instance, the quarterly goal that we have set in our previous goal was to save $1,250. Now, the monthly target would be $417. Since you'll have several goals throughout the year, you will need to ensure that you allocate time for each one. Moving into step 2, you will use the actions, key steps, or milestones that you have identified in your goals into your monthly plan. So to maintain focus without spreading yourself too thin, limit yourself to 3 main goals per month. For example, if you are working to improve your family's health, your monthly goals might include meal prepping healthy lunches for the kids and scheduling 3 family workout sessions per week. For step 3, you need to start doing brain dump of your monthly tasks and commitments. Take time to list every single item that requires your attention or energy, from the smallest routine responsibilities like paying bills and scheduling appointments to the more significant goal-related activities like project milestones and personal development initiatives. As you create this exhaustive inventory, it is crucial to understand a fundamental distinction. While tasks are necessary activities that maintain your current lifestyle and responsibilities, goals are the transformative actions that drive personal growth and lasting fulfillment. So your monthly planning presents an important opportunity to thoughtfully balance these 2 categories. So consider how you can strategically allocate your time and energy between the essential activities that keep your daily life functioning smooth and the purposeful actions that move you closer to your aspirations and create meaningful long-term impact in your life. This balance is key to ensuring that you are not just staying afloat with daily responsibilities, but actively progressing towards the life you envision. Fourth step would be, it's crucial to identify and mark all important dates in your calendar. This includes your work deadlines, personal commitments, appointments, events, and bill due dates. So this will be jotted down in your catch-all calendar. here I would like to say that having a catch-all calendar is a very, very powerful organization tool that helps you to see everything at a glance and makes schedule management much more efficient. So when all your commitments, your deadlines, and events are all in one place, it becomes much easier for you to avoid scheduling conflicts and maintain a clear overview of your time commitments. Step 5 is about planning your time wisely. So you need to review your brain dump list to identify your most important task, which I would call in short for MITs, and decide which week of the month you would like to tackle each one. By planning these weeks in advance, you will save significant time during your weekly planning sessions. 2 key principles are essentials here: scheduling important tasks during your peak energy hours and prioritize activities that directly contribute to your goals rather than busy work. Keep in mind that your energy and workload naturally fluctuate throughout the month. So many people have lighter schedules at the beginning of the month and becomes busier towards the end. So take advantage of this pattern by scheduling your most important tasks during your most productive periods. Finally, review your month by asking yourself these key questions. What was your biggest win or accomplishment? What did you learn from it? What worked well and what didn't? Also consider whether you are overloading yourself. Do you have buffer time, unexpected events? Is your schedule well balanced? So if things feel overwhelming, do not hesitate to prioritize and simplify your planning. So remember, you can always move lower priority tasks to the next month. Okay, now it's time to take action. Grab your planner, or you can also use the monthly planning insert that is linked in this video and follow these steps. First up, you need to pick a milestone from one of the goals that you have set. Second would be setting a realistic monthly goals from the quarterly goals. Brain dump all your monthly tasks, figure out the most important task that is related to your goals, and add key dates and deadlines to your calendar. And then those tasks that you have listed down, block your week 1 to week 4 for the MITs and balance work, personal life, and self-care. And that's it. Congratulations on setting up your monthly plan. I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with one goal you are excited about this month. If you want to make your planning process more intentional and stress-free, I have created inserts that can help. My monthly planning inserts are designed to keep you focused and on track, while the monthly reflection inserts guide you in learning from each month and making improvements. If this sounds like something that could support your planning journey, you can check them out in the description below. So next video for day 7, we will dive deeper into weekly planning and break things down even further to help you stay focused and flexible. So make sure that you have subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it. That's all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!